Hello everyone! Yung topic natin ngayon is about elicitation. Ano ba yung elicitation? Elicitation is one of the method in collecting information, in gathering information. Okay, tandaan natin, let us remember the intelligence cycle. Okay, ang first step natin sa intelligence cycle is the plan. Okay, the plan of collection effort. And after we plan out the collection effort, we have to collect information. That is the collection of information. Okay, and one of the methods in collection information is elicitation. So there are many ways in gathering information, katulad ng surveillance, yung undercover operation, tactical interview, interrogation, and many more. Yung elicitation is one of the methods in acquiring, in gathering information. Okay? Ayan. Ngayon, ano ba yung elicitation? How it is done? Okay? So, elicitation is the method of acquiring desired information from a person who is unaware that he is providing wanted information. Okay? Again, yung elicitation is a method of acquiring, that is gathering. Okay? Gathering of information. Okay? Kanino siya kumukuha ng information? From a person, sa taong who is unaware, na hindi alam yung purpose ng conversation. In other words, elicitation is a casual conversation, okay, from a person, from a person who is unaware of the purpose of conversation. That is elicitation. Okay, for example, yung agent, right, ang task niya is makakuha ng information sa subject. Okay? Yan, ito yung agent, ito yung subject. Okay? Paano siya makakuha ng information sa subject? Okay? He will talk casually to the subject. Pag sinabing casual or yung normal na conversation natin in everyday life, no? For example, nanood ka ba? You have to create a topic of conversation. Ano ba yung topic of conversation? For example, may alam siya patungkol sa NBA or basketball or sports or any topic na hilig niya, alam niya, okay? Yan. Magtanong ka nun or makipag-usap ka sa kanya patungkol sa topic. Kumbaga, parang you need to be a marites also. Okay, in elicitation. Kasi nga, you're gathering information that the person is not aware your purpose of information. For example, you are talking about family, okay, family relation, family problems, just like that. Okay, and of course you have to have a cover, yung cover story mo, para naman hindi ka malata na ikaw pala ay kukuha ng information. Okay? So, you have to make a cover. Pag sinabing cover story, gawa-gawa mo lang na information about sa sarili mo para hindi ka malata. For example, magpanggap ka ng bumbero, magpanggap ka ng tubero, ganon. So that you can penetrate sa kung nasaan man yung subject ko. For example, yung subject mo sa bahay, so panggap ka ng tubero or panday, so you can enter the premises where the subject or where the person, okay, or the person you needed, no? Yung tao na yan ay may alam patungkol sa operation, may tungkol sa illegal or may alam na which is gusto mo na makuha kasi nga kailangan sa operation. Okay? So again, elicitation is acquiring the desired information from a person who is aware. Yung subject, Okay? Nag-uusap yung subject at yung agent, yung sabing agent, siya yung task na mag-gather ng information. Nag-uusap sila, two-way conversation, nagsasalita si subject, nagsisilita din si agent. Ngayon, ang tawag natin diyan is casual conversation. Okay? Pag yung pinag-uusapan nila is yung common na topic. Meron yung topic, okay, parang nagmamarites lang sila. Maraming hilig sa marites. Okay, nagmamarites sila, kahit ano yung pinag-uusapan nila. Okay, akala ni subject is marites lang yon. Hindi pala. Kumukuha pala si subject ng information kang marites. Kang subject rather. Okay? Hindi alam ni subject na kinukunan pala siya ng information. Hindi niya alam. So, anong kaibahan ng elicitation sa interview? Sa interview kasi, alam ni subject that kinukuhanan siya ng information. While sa elicitation, hindi niya alam. Hindi niya alam na kinukuhanan pala siya ng information. For example, gusto ni malaman ni itong si agent. For example, yung task niya is malaman kung ito si Pedro ay may relationship kang Maria. Okay, so magmarites ka ngayon about mga love life sa subject. Okay? Hindi alam, akala ni subject is marites lang yon, or tawag nila na libak, or yung mga gossip, di ba? Gossip. Pero hindi pala. Yung task talaga ni yung objective pala ni agent ay makakuha ng, ay malaman whether there is a relationship between Pedro and Maria. So, ganun yan. Sa casual relationship, hindi yan formal, hindi katulad ng interview. Kasi sa interview, aware si subject na yung information na binibigay niya ay kailangan ni interviewer. Whereas sa elicitation, hindi niya alam. Okay, hindi niya alam na ito pala si yung tao pa lang yung pinakausap niya is gathering or collecting information from him. Okay, from him, hindi niya alam. Okay, akala niya normal lang na conversation, hindi pala. Okay, so that is elicitation. Okay, next video, the topic for next video is about procedures. Ano ba yung mga procedures? The procedure in elicitation. Okay, so hope you understand what is elicitation. Again, pag sinating elicitation is one of method in gathering or collecting information. Okay, acquiring a desired information from a person who is not aware that the objective, the purpose of the conversation. Okay, yan, that is elicitation.